So guys, we're taking a walk. It's a nice, calm walk together.
Evening walk. Evening walk vlog.
Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Ooh.
I'm not losing.
Oh good. Oh
You
yeah.
say hi to you guys?
Yeah, I say hi guys.
Now look for my big self.
Guys. Babe, I have an idea.
What?
You think we can do it out here?
What? Do what?
You think we can do out here?
Yes, sir?
Mm.
No?
Hey, waiting. Take a look, guys.
The cherry they look nice too.
We can't even do it at the cherry tree. Guys, we can't go into the church here. What I say?
It's a cherry tree vibe.
Yeah.
Oh my. That's so nice, isn't it?
That's so nice.
Yeah.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
And that's why I hear. That's why I hear.
You don't feel that good. Me ready now, man.
And that's why I hear, guys.
Me ready.
He's so unserious.
I'm ready now. That's not nice.
I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
That would be nice.
We can't all do it yourself.
You know, open.
No, man, it's one tree there.
One big side there.
I can do it by bridge. We can't cock up on the bridge.
You serious?
We can't cock up on the bridge, don't guys? Yeah. Let's show the bridge. I can't see it right yet. It's a little walk to go there. So when we reach there, we'll show you.
Pine to beer, man.
It's a pine field, y'all.
Pine field to
Guys, just take a moment to take in that sunset. Take it in, guys. May I tell you, this is the best thing ever. Who don't like country? Who don't like country? Come here, we're so beside bridge, guys. So must will see excitement. But no one can feel that, don't. You can feel it, don't.
you. You're nice though.
Thank you. You can pull on when everything I bridge.
Yo! Yeah!
Yeah, boy. That's
Yo! Yeah, that can work, dog.
Where bridge there?
I want to make them push up my big so.
No, so nobody not come over here.
I want to know what you be doing.
Fish up.
You do what?
But I thought me not see no real into a lamp and I
You don't really buy a stone, dog. Stone can be the word.
Stone.
How big it is, sir?
There was a bridge once here, guys. Let me show you all.
You will have dry water, dry up.
That's not a bridge.
Tunnel.
So which part is so I can't hold on? Which part here so?
You can't hold on no way.
So
we are sure. You can't hold on no way down. That you want how you dry up so? I mean rock of ages. You dry up your fart.
Oh, so what's
That should look nice, not true. Jesus Christ, Almighty God, yeah. But it's a blessing for your woman like this, you know. Thank you, Father, for what you have done. You have done a lot, and I appreciate it. Jesus Christ. Who can get the girl out there? Boom! Yeah! Hear me, dog. Bomba. Where's some?
right?
You have to build. You have to build. You have to behave yourself. You have to behave yourself. You have to be yourself.
Let's continue the adventure, guys, because no waste time.
Oh God. Yes.
Guys, come and finish.
Wow, look over this a nice way. Jesus, it does look nice beside of you. Mighty God, yeah.
I'm a nature queen.
Really?
Yeah.
You should love nature for too. That's why we always do the little walk here, but probably you know things say we're not that really interested in like this a walk here or not like that. I mean, know, probably shouldn't be, know. Not sure, you think that I'm interested to come with you? By a little girl. Walk, feel watch the sunset and you're fine.
You know, we just like give it a try. So if y'all enjoy it, just comment in the comment section, let me know so we can take you on more walks. Okay? One two.
Hey!
One two. Let me do again on the side about one two.
Shut up your mouth, man. We can't take you, person. Yeah, we can't take you. Oh, you serious, dog? Serious, you know? Push your head and I jump this up. Ah, boom! Yeah! 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 Wait now, come here. Anyways, oh, look there, man. Oh, God,
Nice.
that looks nice.
Guys, let me see the sunset look nice. Oh, God.
Wow.
Beautiful, guys. Beautiful.
When they make them cooking hot.
Yes, sir.
All these things. Come on, all this look nice though. Guys, take in it, guys.
Take it in, guys.
Wow.
Guys, we're going on top of the hill. So
Let's take a look with us.
as we reach on the top of the hill, we will turn back.
What's up? You alright? You alright? It's nice. It's a nice evening walk.
It is.
What do you think? We can do the do.
Like this one.
We can do the do too?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go back down.
Come on.
Ready.
Guys, you don't take me serious here.
You should be a vessel.
We just play with you.
Yeah, play. Go and play with me.
You don't take me serious.
Go and play with me. Look for me. Let me laugh.
Me laugh, do
You go and play with me. Time I get dark up myself, we can look on it. It's sunset, man. Look a second and I go back down. I don't know, me know look appropriate, but
it's just, you know.
I say grass up green that's up beside of you. Jesus Christ. Anyways, I post the camera. But anyways, my side. You guys don't know if you tell me if you like that little vlog, you know, can't take on with me. And then little way there. I'll do a little girl and I write it, but we make it no scene in our life how we do sometimes. We like nature more, you know, so we always go there on nature. But it's look nice though. But anyways, yeah, me side. Where wants to take him? Where wants to the R&B squad?
Love you all.
I remember, guys, don't know if you like the video.
Yes, guys, remember, like the video. If you haven't checked out the earliest post that we made, you all can go back, watch them, comment, like them, share them up. Yes, guys, let me share them up.
Sure.
Yeah. Don't be a stranger, y'all. We're trying to build a family.
The YouTube family.
A YouTube family.
Yeah, so we don't consider you guys as, you know, fans. You know, if you come here, support your thing, you appreciate it. Yeah. And only love and love alone.
Love and love alone.
That is our motto. So always remember that. Only love and love alone. Alright?
Yeah.
That is our motto?
Love and love alone.
Only
love and love alone.
Oh, okay. So that is our motto, guys. Yep. So Where the sunset that go down.
See you tomorrow, sunset.
But anyways.
And every day I come home, come catch the sunset.
Right, but
so
when we catch it.
do once in a lifetime when we catch it. You know, we have to make use of it. And I take a stroll.
Right. Come here, sit one little walk. You know, me I burn calories. Guys, me I lose weight, you know? Me I lose weight, guys.
I may put some over me try to take off.
Guys, me almost lose 40 pounds. Put on my hand then. And I get tough. Yeah. But anyways.
Hey guys, I'm going to have a muscle boyfriend.
Bumbo club. A muscle boyfriend you want.
Anyhow, I'm telling you this. Anyhow, this me real than you want this me. Like go from a muscle man.
Me?
Yeah.
Hey. You think muscle can save me? You think muscle can save me? Hey, you think muscle can save me? You think muscle can tap good shot?
Yeah, I just make it up.
Oh, no company. Anything in the back you start to fight by yourself. Well, anyways, guys, this was a good walk. So we are bringing her along with me. And with the things, so I get to do the do, but I mean I get to do the do. Yes, still have a mess with me.
Just messing with me. I don't know if I might change my mind. I'm going to try for the spot. Who knows?
Yeah, there's something on my side. But anyways, guys.
This is the first spot.
Yeah, you can go under this so. Yes. Bumbo. No, you can't do that.
Oh god.
The one that look more covered.
This one?
Yeah.
But me can't hold.
Nobody now gonna see another one then.
Me can't hold under this one.
Come push it down, let me see if I can hold.
I'm going to go walk here. So. In the bush.
What's I did say I want to go. Guys, I did say I want to go. You know, make pine juke you.
Yeah.
Make two maca juke you. You're going to make two maca juke you.
Wait.
You feel say this up here?
I'm going to be adventurous. I'm going to be you know, I'm going to stop. So guys, remember to like the video, leave a comment, spam, love and love alone. Yes,
right.
Because that's our motto, guys.
So remember, spam in the comment section, love and love alone. It might help you one day, it might help you today. Yeah. But anyways, remember
subscribe.
Remember
follow us on our socials.
And remember to share the video to your auntie, your uncle, your sister, who?
Your grandmother and the dog in your yard.
Oh, alright. Yeah. So guess what, guys?
It's the end of our walk.
What under my nose?
I'm out.